Hello Techies, welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using MS Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will talk about differences and similarity between actions. So our today actions are get first free column or row from Excel worksheet and get first free row on column from Excel worksheet. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see all the parameter of both action, and after this we will discuss about the similarity and differences between both action. So now I am on Power Automate desktop. So let's open one by one. So I am opening first one, get first free column or row from Excel worksheet, and here you can see this property, this action itself say retrieves the first free column and or row from the active worksheet. This is useful for adding new data into worksheet that already has data in it. Here you can see the parameter, only one parameter is available, Excel instance. Here you can mention Excel instance as per your requirement. If you have already opened your Excel instance, one or more Excel instance, you can just mention here, and after this it will provide two variable, first free column and first free row. So that's about get first free column row from Excel worksheet. So let's open another one, first free column, first free row on column from Excel worksheet. So here we can see this action itself say retrieve the first free row given the column of the active worksheet. Here you can see there are two parameter are available here in Excel instance, and another parameter is column. Here you can mention a column as per your requirement. If you want to get a first free column from column A, just you can mention here. If you want to mention column B, and if you want to get a first free row from column B, that time you can mention column B. So that's all about both actions, get first free row on column from Excel worksheet and get first free column row from Excel worksheet. So let's discuss about differences and similarity between both actions. So let's discuss. So first one, get first free column or row from Excel worksheet. If we are using this action, you can get first free column and row, but if you are using get first free row on column from Excel worksheet, we can only get a row from Excel worksheet. Here you can see in Excel spreadsheet example, if you are using first one, then you can get free row and also get free column, and if you are using a second one, then you can also only get a row number here. So, and another differences between both actions are, if you are using get first free column row or from Excel worksheet action, you can get the first free row column from entire worksheet. You can get it from entire worksheet. But if you are using get first free row on column from Excel worksheet, then you can only get the free row from a specific column like A, B, C. So this is the main differences between both actions. So let's discuss about the similarity of these two actions. So only one similarity of these two actions is both action can get a first free row from Excel spreadsheet. So I hope you understood about the differences between get first free column or row from Excel worksheet and get first free row on column from Excel worksheet. And also, I hope you understood about the similarity. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.